you surely have to promote Alma Laser devices to the UNESCO institution. They are trying to improve and save our, all the great monuments of this planet.
Yeah.
To be more serious, Alma Laser has a kind of global offer of high standard laser technology, light-based, ultrasound, radio frequency devices. You work on many issues, including removal, leg vein treatments, acne treatments, and of course skin rejuvenations. Let's focus on some of your latest technologies, starting by this iTED, which combines actually 3 points: laser technology for once, a cream, and also an acoustic waves. Can you explain us what is this concept of 3-in-1?
So basically the concept we invented is called iTED, which is the transepidermal delivery concept. We realized that there's no really solution for deep indication or severe indications. Currently, this is the only technology, this is the only concept that offers 3 distinct technologies: fractional technology, and you can use it with several fractional technology I will elaborate later, the creams that we invented, and also impact module, which is the only thing that sonotone that pushes the substance beneath the skin to target the dermis. And hence we can treat very severe indications. So the first step of the iTED concept is perforate the skin, basically to penetrate beneath the epidermis, the stratum corneum, to have the cream or the substance, the active ingredient, target exactly the indication we want to treat. So you can perforate the skin according to the doctors or your choice, either using RF pixel, using CO2 laser, or erbium laser. Once you perforate the skin in creating microchannels, you create a path for the active ingredients to target beneath the epidermis. And then you come with the second stage. And then you apply the cream, the active ingredients, for your choice. We managed to evaluate and really to produce the best kits ever for very severe indication, as in skin whitening, skin rejuvenation, post-acne scars, and also skin rejuvenation in general. So once you apply the skin, then comes the third steps. And this is what's so unique. This is the unique technology called the impact, which is sonotone, creating acoustic pressure waves, making sure that the substance will penetrate throughout the microchannels. But it's not enough just to put the substance, to push the substance. You have to pull it a little bit in order to push it more. So it's a push and pull effect, not only there, either push or pull, but it's combination together. So now you have the iTED concept creating 3 stages that gives you the best synergy to treat all the indications that couldn't be treated before. Stretch marks, for instance, this is the indication to use because no other cream can penetrate beneath the dermis other than using the iTED.
This is a kind of a global concept because there's the active product and there's the way to deliver it. It's the 2-in-1 actually. Do you have clinical data about clinical studies and data about the results you get?
So for sure, before once we realized there's a need for this concept, we evaluated with a lot of beta sites across the world. So we placed some systems in APAC, in Europe, of course in the US. So we did a multi-study, blind study, triple study around the world with several beta sites with leading doctors, including in Germany, in the UK, and all over. And before we launched this concept, we did a lot of clinical study, look into improvement, whether it is working, creating the market challenge, and realized after 2-3 years of studies, of clinical study, that we have a genuine concept, working custom, improving the indication by 70 to 80%.
One thing you told is that actually the first step, which is the laser itself, as you have different type of laser possibilities.
Exactly.
What is the point with it? Is it a way to tailor the treatment?
So you can perforate the skin with several technology, with the CO2, which a lot are familiar with because it's been in the market for several years. Also erbium lasers, which it's a little bit more superficial and using different systems. But the unique thing is to perforate the skin with the RF. RF pixel perforating the skin eliminates a lot of the adverse event that we have with the lasers. But again, it's not a must. You can perforate the skin with 3 choices, according to your choice, your need, and of course, your system.
First step, second step, the cream. Third step, as you said, the most innovative maybe, which is this impact module. What's the added value of it actually, for real?
So in the market or a lot of technologies, we also have, as you said, we have the perforation everybody know the laser. We have cream of various kinds. But the impact is the final touch, basically. It makes sure that once you create the holes and you put the cream, it will push the cream beneath the substance. And currently, this is the only technology that pushes and pulls using acoustic pressure waves to penetrate the active ingredients beneath the skin to target exactly the purpose of the indication to treat.
With that push and pull system, actually. Another technology you're developing a lot, which is, we're going to focus a little bit on it, which is V-Shape. And V-Shape is working on facial contouring. Usually, we use surgery for that. What offers V-Shapes different and more than a classical surgery?
So again, V-Shape is a very unique concept we found out that is really needed in the market. We are going around every day, our face are out there, but there is no real solution until the V-Shape for face contouring with non-invasive procedures. Because in the past, if you wanted to have contouring for the face, you had to use either aggressive peeling or liposuction surgeries, and everybody know the adverse event and the side effects that's caused by that. But currently with the V-Shape, basically, you have the chance to do face contouring, non-invasive, including two distinct technologies. Ultrasound, the first technology, but not ultrasound in low range, but the shear wave ultrasound, which is specific ultrasound to target the fat cells and destroy them permanently, and followed by RF technology using the unipolar, which is a proprietary of the Alma Lasers company, because this is the only technology of RF that targets really the fat layer. So we're improving the fat circulation, we're targeting fat layers, making them destroyed, and also removing the fat content via the lymphatic system.
On each one, you have that very technology of yours app working and making the difference, actually. Just one word. Is it working for the face? Can it work also for the body, this technology?
So the V-Shape is intended for the face. We wanted a V-shape appearance, but this combination, the unique combination, as you mentioned, it's unique, but the combination of the two, this is what distinguishes this technology from others, can also work on the body. You can just use a bigger handpiece. Of course, we want to reduce the treatment of the time, so we'll use a different handpieces, a bigger one, and you can apply it all over the abdomen, the thighs, even the arms or the legs. Wherever you would like to treat, you can. It's a non-invasive procedure, very fast and also very efficient, of course.
Thank you, and maybe people can see the other technologies here in the IMCAS Congress with Alma Lasers. Thank you.
Thank you very much.